Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to enable FPS counter in MSI Afterburner. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and open MSI Afterburner. Then you will have to click on this settings option right here, and after that you need to go to monitoring. After this opens, you will have to go to active hardware monitoring graphs and go all the way down and search for frame rate. So as you can see here, it is simply made by alphabetic order, so click on the frame rate right here and make sure to check it. As you can see now, it is checked. Now select it. After you do so, make sure to click on show in on screen display and choose what type of display you would like. There is text, graph, or both. For us, we will keep it as text and then click on apply and then OK, and this is how you can activate it. That was it for today's video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future.